Hey everyone, today I want to introduce you to the iSense mattress. Now this mattress is a strong competitor to Sleep Number, which lately really hasn't had much competition because they do have a pretty proprietary technology. But iSense, I think, gives them a run for their money, particularly the iSense Premier, because this is actually a hybrid mattress, so it's pocketed coils and foam. Added to that though, they do have an air chamber in the middle that allows for adjusted lumbar support, which is really interesting. I was a little skeptical at first because I've done other kind of these air mattresses before and they feel just like that, like an air mattress where if it's too firm, you get zero contouring, but if it's too soft, it just sags in the middle. I think iSense has done a good job of addressing that by allowing you to just adjust the middle, and then you get all the benefits of the coils and foam, all the benefits of a traditional mattress beyond that. The setup of this was incredibly easy. I was actually kind of surprised. I thought it'd be a little bit more of a pain. Really, I just unboxed the mattress, plugged in the two hoses, plugged in the power supply, and it was ready to go. On this one, the sensor on a queen size, I think it's already built in. So you would just download that app and it would start tracking your sleep as well. So it really has all the features of an iComfort, or sorry, of a Sleep Number, but it does give you that added benefit of an actual hybrid mattress. As far as price goes, this is retailing right now for $4,000, $39.99 in a queen. So I believe it is a bit more expensive than the Sleep Number, but I do like the feel of it. I mean, it's just great. It really just feels like a mattress. It doesn't feel like an airbed at all. The remote is pretty simple. You're just, you got your right side, left side, so each partner can adjust their firmness level. And the motor on it's very quiet. It goes from basically 10 to 99 very quickly. In fact, I'm doing that right now. So it's just this, kind of muffled noise, kind of like a very muffled air generator, and it's just going to firm up that middle for you. But you can see that the mattress still has some good bounce, very, very resilient. That's the pocket coil. There's also some open cell foam above that makes it more breathable. And then they do have this spandex stretch knit cover, which I like because that's just going to allow for more contouring. Pretty much no motion transfer on this either. I think part of that is that air chamber in the middle, in that it's split on both sides, so you won't get that motion transfer. That's another added benefit. This does come shipped in a box with a 180-night trial, and that starts from the day you receive it. It's free returns. Only caveat is they just ask that you try it for 45 days, which I think is reasonable. It takes that time for your body to really adapt to a new mattress. Plus, this takes a little bit more tweaking. You really got to find your sweet spot. But I think you do have a lot of peace of mind because this mattress isn't going to be too firm or too soft. You can always make those adjustments. So we're really not looking at firmnesses here. Really the only choices you have are hybrid or foam. And I see no reason why you wouldn't want to go with a hybrid, just because I think it's going to provide better pressure relief. And then you can always dial in that right firmness. So read more about it on Yawnder.com, but I really am excited about this mattress. It's been a long time since there's been some true innovation in the industry, and I think this mattress is bringing something new that people are really going to enjoy.